In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Business Profile. A Google Business Profile is your company's free listing on Google, and it helps you control how your business appears in Google Search and Google Maps. This is especially useful for local businesses because it allows potential customers to find your services, read reviews, check your hours, and learn more about what you offer before they ever contact you. To get started, sign into the Google account you want to use for managing the business. Then go to Google Business Profile and select the option to manage your profile. Once you're there, search for your business name. This is an important first step because your business may already exist in Google's directory, even if you never created the profile yourself. If your business appears in the search results, choose the option to claim the business. This tells Google that you are the owner or authorized manager of that listing. If your business does not appear, then select the option to add your business to Google and begin creating a new listing from scratch. Next, enter the key business details carefully. Start with your business name and make sure you use the exact legal or commonly recognized business name without adding extra keywords. Then choose the business category that best matches what you do. Be as specific as possible because the category helps Google understand when to show your business to potential customers. After that, add your location and service area. If you have a storefront or office that customers can visit, enter the physical address. If you travel to customers instead, you can list the cities or regions you serve and keep your home address hidden if needed. Then provide your business contact information, including your business phone number and website, so customers have clear ways to reach you. Once those details are in place, you'll need to verify the business. Google does this to confirm that the business is real and that you are connected to it. Depending on what Google offers for your listing, verification may happen by phone, email, postcard, or a short video showing your business location or equipment. Follow the method provided on screen and complete it as accurately as possible. After verification is complete, customize your profile so it looks complete and professional. Add your business hours, write a business description of up to 700 characters, and upload high quality photos. Good photos and accurate information can make a big difference in how trustworthy and appealing your business looks to new customers. And that's how to set up or claim your Google Business Profile.